Hey guys, Cody here from Phantom Airsoft TV, and today we're going to test what an airsoft gun can do to an iPhone. Okay, here's the iPhone. We're going to be shooting it from about 10 feet away, so here goes. Okay, so here's the aftermath. Might need some gloves to clean this up, but that was very satisfying destruction. As you can see, we've cracked the screen completely, holes everywhere. None penetrated all the way though, which doesn't surprise me. It's a CQB gun. Yeah, we shot. I'd say I loaded it with about 100 BBs, so we could have probably done more damage with more BBs, but this is satisfying enough. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.